Welcome to ADO2 GP, an AI-powered content marketing automation platform designed for a wide range of industries. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the platform quickly and easily. First, choose how you'd like to search for your business. You can either search by business name or use Google Maps URL. Let's try the URL method. Search for your business on Google Maps, then click the Share button and copy the link. Paste the copied URL into the input field. Then click Get Free Analysis. Once the analysis is complete, you'll be able to review your brand analysis results. Now click Start Creating Content. To continue with content creation, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using your Google account or email address. If you plan to upload directly to YouTube, we recommend logging in with the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Next is the brand image setup screen. You can review the images automatically imported by the system and also upload your own photos. To remove unwanted images, simply click the X button. Now choose your video format. We recommend a 9:16 ratio for Reels and Shorts and 16:9 for YouTube videos. Once your settings are complete, click Next Step. You can either select your preferred music genre or use the AI auto recommendation feature. Click Generate Sound to create AI-generated lyrics and music. After reviewing the music, click Generate Video. Video generation usually takes about 3 minutes. Once completed, you can download the video or upload it directly to YouTube. To upload to YouTube, you'll first need to connect your social account. Go to My Info, then select My Business Social Channel Management and click Connect YouTube. Please read the on-screen guide carefully and follow the steps in order. Once the connection is complete, you'll be able to upload videos from the ADO2 content menu. When you click the Upload button, the video title, description, and tags will be automatically generated. You can also configure the visibility settings and schedule the publishing time. After reviewing all settings, click Publish. Your video will then appear on your connected YouTube channel. You can also share your content directly to KakaoTalk, Instagram, and Facebook using the Share button. The Content Calendar allows you to manage your upload schedule at a glance. Now it's your turn to get started. If you have any questions, please contact the ADO2 team via email.